So the next thing I want to look at is this exploding ball that's just blank. And it's also these two warnings, or 4 warnings, but there's really 2 per object, so I can show you what I mean. So, see that empty ball there? That's what I'm talking about. So why is that happening? Okay, well, over here in the robot, I found out that there's this robot destroy script, and the way I found that out is I'm following clues. So here in this warning and in this warning, they both point to robot destroy update at assets blah blah blah, robot destroy.cs, and this one points to the exact same thing. It's actually a very similar error. The reference script on this behavior is missing. The reference script is missing with a different, game object. And this is the same error, but in a different file. So starting with robot destroy.cs, I don't think you can click on this, no, but that's okay. Here's robot destroy.cs. So line 27 here. So it's trying to instantiate a ragdoll at transform.position, transform.rotation. If I hit OK, then I just need to figure out why it's got a problem with that. As it turns out, it's not a problem with this at all. So this is pointing to ragdoll, which is of type transform, which is a public. So that means it's not really even set in this script. It's set here, robots dead transform. So what's that? Well, let's double click on that. That ends up being a robots dead thing. It's a game object. And where's that? Let's see, dead. So if we go back to the console, it says the reference script on this behavior game object light is missing. Now that's not much of a clue, but we have gotten back to robots dead. So let's drag this into our scene to see if we can analyze it further. So if we look at this, here and here, there's something called light right here. That's a good clue because it says game object light is missing. So robots dead. Is there a light in here? Can you search? No. But if I click here, it says, okay, this is probably what it is. It says the reference script on this behavior, game object light, is missing. And this is the game object light, and there's the script on that. It says light delete is missing. It says it can't be loaded, fix any compile errors, and assign a valid script. I'll bet it's not missing, it's just got a problem. It says switch to Linux. Yes, look at this. These in C# and Java, this has to match this exactly. So it doesn't. So light, delete, save. Is that going to go away? Yes, good. I didn't touch anything just now. Just saved. So that fixed that. Now my guess is that these will go away. Let's go find out. Yeah, they went away. Now that's still an empty ball, but we'll get to that in a minute. Well, let's get to it right now. So what I've done is select the robot's dead. I'm going to set the X to 10, Y to 10, and Z to 10. That's too much. 2 maybe, 3. I can just say 3. Well, let's see if that empty hole is that same size as that. It's 3. So, hey, oh, okay. That was my mouse. No. Oh, well, that's okay, because actually what I did was I changed the instance of robots dead that's in the scene already. But that doesn't change the default one that it's spawning. I mean dead. So here I'm going to change this to 2, 3, 3, 3. Save. Go. Let's see if that does it. Get a clue from this perhaps. No, it's the same size. So that transform is not the issue. Undo, 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 undo. Got it. So in the robots dead game object, in fact, in the real one, there it is, there's a sphere 001 mesh filter, and there's a mesh associated with it. If I double click that, it shows me in the assets this sphere. And if I don't know actually what this means, but if I click on this, then I've got a model, and I can go scale factor 4, not 45 probably. Hit OK. Apply. Now let's see what happens. There. Oh, we'll see there's still some smoke blowing just outside of that. So that makes me want to make it very small, like 0.1. What will that do? Oh. I don't know. That works okay. So I'm going to go investigate the demo thing, the demo scene. But if it's not really different, then I'm going to leave it like it is. Well, I figured out part of the puzzle. You can see this one blows up appropriately without any sphere in the middle. That's all because I did. I had this selected, and I remember doing that some time ago, but I don't know how it got selected in this scene and not the other one. So I'm going to figure that out. Okay, I got it. So in the prefabs explosion prefab, this mesh renderer was set, and also in the dead, that mesh renderer was set. So if I set it, it has a hole. But if I actually keep playing, no. If I unset it, probably won't. Yep, clean.